tell you, I feel like 73 today, which is insane. I need coffee stat though. I am tired. As you guys know, the video went up at like, I don't know, 2:30 last night. I can't remember the time. The time doesn't matter anymore in my mind. I just am like constantly on the go. So let's go get that coffee first. And what off? What is up and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 High OG Retros in the Shadow colorway. Let's take a sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Also, hit this video with a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already. We have so much heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. As well as check out those membership tiers. We've got some amazing perks on there, so be sure to check that out when you get a chance. Also, we've got some great items on our merch store, so be sure to head over there after this video. All right, so as mentioned earlier, we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG Shadows, the 2.0 version. So first we're going to talk about the overview, then we're going to get into size and fit, followed by how I was able to style these, because you guys already know I had fun styling these because of the color combo.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
Then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. All right, so let's jump right into it. My goodness, it has been a crazy day. Thank you so much for everybody who tuned into Coffee with Shade this morning. Shadows are looking pretty crisp in the sun, not gonna lie. I don't know if it's just the beautiful sunny day that's making them look good or if they're just fire. Who knows? It was such a great time picking these shoes up and chatting with you guys for the release this morning. And I will say, I think a lot of you who took W's are going to be quite happy just because this is definitely a colorway that is going to go with everything and anything. You guys already know I love me some gray and black, obviously. So this is a shade color right here. Let's get into the overview of the front portion of the shoe. So we've got just a nice solid black toe box here. Not really a tumbled leather. I actually brought out my silver toes because I want to kind of compare the leather version in that in comparison to this quality. We do have some nubuck on the front there in that just light gray. Again, this isn't the highest quality nubuck that I felt on an Air Jordan, but it is just a nice crisp gray color scheme that I think goes great with the black. As we work our way up to that nylon tongue, we've got just nice laced up black laces on this. I prefer black, but it did also come with a set of gray laces. So if you do want to switch up the tone on this, you can actually switch it up with some light gray laces to rock the shoes with. Then we've got just nice hints of that gray accent on the Nike swoosh air at the top of that tongue. So let's take a quick little peek on those details. So moving to the side panels, we've got some nice just underlays of that solid black leather underneath the overlays of this just nice nubuck in that light gray color scheme. It's on the swoosh and wraps around to the heel counter here. As we work our way to this side of the shoe, you'll see that we've got that nice just pop of black hue on top of that light gray for the Wings logo and the Air Jordan. Again, just nice crisp underlays of that black leather, and again that swoosh in the light gray color scheme. We've got a black and gray insole there, and we're going to finish off the shoe with just a simple white midsole, and the outsole is all black. Definitely a colorway that you're going to be able to match and rock with everything and anything. So quickly before we show the detail shots, I actually want to show you guys just some quality differentiations that I've noticed on this leather. For instance, you'll notice this is very smooth leather. Again, this is actually a little bit more tumbled. Feels just, you know, like it's higher quality. There's not a lot of give in this leather like there is on my silver toes. It definitely feels tumbled and just more broken in. Then when we work our way to kind of the front, you can see that there's just that tumbled leather going on, even on the swoosh here. And you're not really seeing that on these ones. So definitely a difference in the quality of leather on the shadows. But you know, could be preference. Some people don't really like the tumbled leather. I'm a fan of the tumbled leather. This one, unfortunately, is just more of a thicker, tougher leather that you're going to have to break in. But still just a great all-around shoe that you're going to be able to wear with everything and anything. All right, so let's talk about size and fit. So I typically go true to size with my Air Jordan 1 highs. I stuck true to size on this one, 7.5 in men, which is equivalent to a woman's 9. Again, for those of you who do not know my foot shape and type, it's narrow with high arches. So that will also depend on what sizing, I guess, works best for you. So if you have wide feet that are flat, that definitely may change. And I also do like to wear my shoes on, you know, a little bit larger end. I have a little bit extra space in that toe box, which I do like since I wear thicker socks with my shoes. All right, so now let's get into styling. So I had so much fun styling these. I love me some gray and black, so this was a fun one to style. For the first look, I decided to wear some olive cargo pants with a nice simple gray cropped tank top. And obviously grays and any other color that you may want to add to, you know, really create some variance between the color scheme in this will work, because gray and black really do go with pretty much everything and anything.
You find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find out when you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I remember when we were still in college and your girls.
So for the second look, I decided to do more of an athletic look. That is a Fira look from Culture King. So if you guys do like any of my Culture King pieces, we do have those links down below. And if you do not want to crease your toe boxes and you use my code, you guys will actually get a free protector on the Culture King's website. So be sure to use those codes that we have listed down below. But that is a Fira tank top that's black and teal, and it has some nice just tight leggings that I matched that with in black with some nice gray accents on the sides there. I think this obviously is going to go with any type of all black look, and really want to just show you guys an athletic athleisure type of style for that.
Girls, boyfriend, friends was always trying to holler, not a lot. Chain stand, but they don't want these problems. Let the top fold, ride slow. Let them know I got you, never been insecure. But I don't play about you. Don't care who you were before or what they say about you. We fresh like air, no pollute. We didn't came too far, this no fluke. When you on my arm, you look great. Let them hate, cause they on mute. And girl, I brought you around my mom and them. Now I can't come around without you. I got money and respect, but you know that pussy's power. Type that make any man feel rejection. I was no coward. Got your heart in my possession. Guess you can say it's ours. You fine like, let me just say you gifted. No understatement, let me rephrase.
All right, so for the last look, I decided to do all black. I know. It's not like you guys have ever seen me in an all black look. This was an all black Nike jumpsuit. So definitely a fun jumpsuit that I think just goes so well with this. It's kind of a cargo-esque jumpsuit. And the all black look obviously kind of makes this shoe a statement piece because we've got the hues of this light gray that just really pop off of that black leather.
Let me rephrase it, you so exquisite. I'd be dumb if I didn't turn you into my missus. Been through your ups and downs, but with me you only get. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Look, man, it was like fall of 09 when we ate at any restaurant off campus we can find, double dating.
All right, you guys, let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three.
I was just a sentimental kid with a little bit of attention deficit. Hyperactive disorder, always out of order. I never had a chance though, but I would've wished on every single sad song. Never really knowing the moments I was groaning was zoning by the opponent. Opponent kids like me, Satan sees an opportunity, making me feel immunity as long as my community can sin like me. There's nothing more you need than you can be at peace for your life. And realized I was swallowing lies instead of my pride, and I had to give my life to the eternal prize. Now I'm underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, yeah. Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, we the ones, yeah, we the ones, we the ones, yeah, we the ones, yeah. Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, yeah. Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, we the ones, yeah, we the ones, we the ones, yeah, we the ones, underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, yeah. Underrated.
Now let's get into the resale on these shoes. So these retail at $170, and currently they're going between $250 and $300. So if you were unable to cop these, it's not too crazy of a price point, and I definitely do feel like the price may drop a little bit more as people do start to get their shoes in hand, but definitely a solid color all around that's going to be versatile, and it's going to go with everything and anything in your wardrobe. All right, you guys, thanks so much again for tuning in to another one of my episodes. If you were new and here for the first time, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe. Also, hit this video with a like if you haven't already. Any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already, as well as check out those membership perks and our merch store. All right, you guys, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.